Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make sugar cookies, full guide. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees F and line baking sheets while you measure ingredients. Cream butter and sugar until light, add eggs and vanilla, then mix in dry ingredients gently. Chill the dough for at least 30 minutes, roll out on a floured surface, cut shapes, bake until edges are set, and cool fully before decorating. Start by creaming room temperature butter with sugar until the mixture looks pale and airy. Beat in eggs and vanilla, scraping the bowl so everything is evenly combined. Sift flour with baking powder and salt, then fold it in gently to avoid overworking the dough. Once it forms, flatten into discs, wrap in plastic, and chill for at least 30 minutes to make rolling and shaping much easier and neater. Roll your chilled dough to about 1/4 inch thickness on a floured surface to ensure even bake and consistent shapes. Use cookie cutters, transfer shapes to a parchment-lined pan, and bake for about 8 to 12 minutes until the edges just set and centers remain light. Let cookies cool on the pan briefly, then move to a rack to cool completely before decorating so icing stays smooth and doesn't slide off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.